If rosemary never feels stimulating to you, you might be using the wrong cultivar. One type wakes up the brain and opens the lungs. The other settles digestion and supports metabolic stability. Same species, different chemical emphasis. Rosmarinus officinalis, Tuscan blue, tends to express higher levels of 1,8 cineole and camphor. That matters. 1,8 cineole is the compound that gives rosemary that sharp, penetrating aroma. It doesn't just smell strong, it moves fast in the body. It crosses into the brain and has been studied in human trials for alertness, processing speed, and working memory performance. It also improves respiratory airflow by reducing bronchial constriction and thinning mucus. Camphor increases peripheral circulation. It stimulates vascular tone and enhances local blood flow. That's why cineole-dominant rosemary feels mobilizing in muscle tissue and stimulating to the scalp. That's why Tuscan blue feels sharper, more activating, more respiratory, more mentally stimulating. Now compare that to Rosmarinus officinalis, Spice Islands. Look at how this cultivar grows. It is typically lower in camphor and softer in its volatile profile. Morphologically, it grows more compact and bushy, with tighter internodes and denser leaf clusters. That tighter growth pattern usually comes with a softer volatile intensity. It still contains the same foundational compounds, carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which protect cells from oxidative stress and help regulate inflammatory signaling. Carnosic acid activates the NRF2 pathway, your body's internal antioxidant defense system, strengthening endogenous defenses and protecting lipid membranes, including those in vascular and neural tissue. Rosmarinic acid modulates NF-kappa B-driven inflammatory transcription, which helps explain rosemary's vascular and metabolic protective effects. But the volatile fraction in Spice Islands is less aggressive. Lower camphor, more ester balance, less sympathetic stimulation. The effect feels steadier, better suited for daily cooking, better tolerated by sensitive digestion, supportive without being driving. Both protect the endothelium by reducing oxidative stress in vascular tissue. Both exhibit antimicrobial activity due to monoterpene content. Both influence inflammatory pathways through diterpene modulation. But the direction shifts.